My name is Jonathan. My field is being an electrician. Looking forward to be a apprentice electrician. I had a great experience in the program. I learned a lot. Gave me the opportunity to work on a lot of electrical circuits, from solar to residential to commercial and industrial. The online learning is a great experience. I just overall like how the simulations explained everything and all the in class explanations, how to do something step by step. The simulations, they'll basically go step by step from simple to the most difficult step. They go from using a multimeter to just screwing in a bolt, just simple stuff like that. Some people might not have hands-on that. Just gives you more depth so everyone has the same experience, the best experience you can get from their online simulation. It helped me because some people do it different ways, but if you do it the way they showed you, it'll always be correct, and just overall it's just a good way to do it by step by step. On the hands-on, my teacher is really good. Any question I asked, she always had the answer to it. If I ever needed to change a wire, she would explain it to me, not just saying, oh, you gotta change this wire. She'll explain to me why I need to change that wire. Or she'll show me how to do neatness in the panel, or just stuff like that, just make me better in my craft. One thing, if you're gonna join the program, I recommend, staying on task. Pay attention, because it does give a lot of good detail, and does give you a lot of, scenarios that you would run into in the job.